Recovery is often the most overlooked part of fitness. Many women, whether they are seasoned athletes or complete beginners, focus heavily on workouts, diets, and progress but underestimate the importance of recovery. The truth is that your muscles, hormones, and overall performance rely just as much on rest and recovery as they do on training intensity. Without proper recovery, the body cannot rebuild, energy levels plummet, and injuries become far more likely. For female athletes and beginners alike, understanding how to recover properly can make the difference between success and burnout. Today, we will uncover 6 powerful recovery tips that every woman should know to maximize results, improve health, and sustain a fitness journey long-term. 1. Prioritize quality sleep. The most important recovery tool is also the one most people neglect: sleep. During sleep, the body repairs muscles, balances hormones, and consolidates memory, including motor skills learned during workouts. For female athletes, missing out on sleep does more than just cause fatigue. It disrupts estrogen and progesterone levels, both of which are crucial for muscle repair, mood regulation, and energy. Beginners may notice that after a tough session, their soreness feels unbearable when they did not sleep well. This is because growth hormone, which supports muscle recovery, is released in deep sleep cycles. Women should aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, with consistent bedtime and wake times. Small habits like turning off screens an hour before bed, creating a calming routine, and keeping the room cool can dramatically improve sleep quality. Think of sleep as your most natural recovery supplement, free and far more effective than any pill or powder. 2. Refuel with proper nutrition. Recovery is not just about what you do after the workout, but also what you put into your body. Nutrition is the foundation of rebuilding muscles and restoring energy. For women, protein intake is especially vital because it supports muscle repair and prevents excessive soreness. Many women undereat protein, which slows down recovery and limits results. Aiming for a source of protein within 1 to 2 hours after exercise can speed up healing and muscle growth. Carbohydrates are equally important, as they replenish glycogen stores used during intense activity. Healthy fats also play a role in hormone regulation, which is crucial for recovery. Beginners often make the mistake of skipping meals after workouts in an effort to burn fat, but this backfires because the body breaks down muscle instead of building it. For female athletes, timing matters even more. Proper pre- and post-workout nutrition ensures the body has the fuel to perform and the tools to recover. 3. Hydration beyond water. Hydration is another underestimated factor in recovery. Muscles are made up of about 75% water, and even mild dehydration can increase soreness and fatigue. But recovery hydration is about more than just drinking plain water. When women sweat during training, they lose electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Without replacing these, performance and recovery both suffer. For beginners, this might show up as lingering headaches or cramps after workouts. For athletes, it can mean slower muscle repair and reduced endurance in future sessions. Adding electrolyte-rich foods like bananas, leafy greens, or coconut water can make a big difference. For women training at higher intensities, electrolyte powders or drinks may be necessary. Hydration should be viewed as a constant habit, not just something to do when thirsty. Sipping fluids throughout the day keeps recovery on track and ensures muscles are primed for the next workout. 4. Active recovery and mobility work. Many people think recovery means doing nothing, but active recovery is often far more effective. This does not mean pushing yourself hard, but instead engaging in low-intensity activities that promote blood flow and muscle healing. Light walking, yoga, or stretching can relieve soreness and increase flexibility. For women, mobility work is especially valuable because it helps balance hormones like cortisol by calming the nervous system. Athletes benefit from foam rolling or dynamic stretches to release muscle tightness, while beginners can use simple stretching routines to reduce stiffness and soreness. The key is movement without stress. Think of active recovery as a way to reset the body without straining it. A short yoga session or a 20-minute walk the day after a workout can dramatically improve how you feel and perform the next time you train. 5. Listen to your body and cycle intensity. One of the biggest mistakes women make is pushing through fatigue and ignoring signs of overtraining. For athletes, the pressure to perform can lead to training harder when the body is already exhausted. For beginners, enthusiasm can sometimes cause overcommitment, leading to injuries early on. Listening to the body is an essential recovery skill. Fatigue, persistent soreness, irritability, or disrupted sleep are all signs that the body needs more rest. Women should also consider the impact of their menstrual cycle on training and recovery. During certain phases, such as the luteal phase before menstruation, recovery may take longer and energy may feel lower. Adjusting intensity and giving yourself grace during these times prevents burnout. Recovery is not a sign of weakness. It is a strategy for longevity. Knowing when to push and when to pull back ensures progress without setbacks. 6. Use recovery tools wisely. Finally, recovery can be enhanced with the use of specific tools. Foam rollers, massage guns, compression sleeves, and even cold therapy can accelerate muscle healing. For female athletes, these tools can reduce soreness and prepare the body for intense schedules. Beginners may find them helpful in making post-workout soreness less intimidating, encouraging consistency. However, these tools should not replace foundational recovery habits like sleep, nutrition, and hydration. They are meant to support, not substitute. For example, foam rolling for 10 minutes after a workout can release tight fascia and improve blood flow. Massage guns can target specific sore spots. Even simple Epsom salt baths can soothe tired muscles. Choosing one or two tools that fit your lifestyle and using them consistently can make recovery feel more enjoyable and personalized. Here is something interesting to think about. Most women view recovery as downtime or wasted time, but in reality, recovery is where the actual progress happens. During training, you are breaking down muscle fibers. It is during recovery that these fibers rebuild stronger and more resilient. Without recovery, the cycle of growth never completes. Understanding this simple truth can change the way women approach fitness entirely. The mental side of recovery. Recovery is not just physical but mental. Stress, lack of sleep, and emotional exhaustion all impact how the body heals. For women who juggle careers, families, and training, mental recovery is just as important as stretching or sleep. Simple practices like meditation, deep breathing, or journaling can calm the nervous system and enhance recovery. Athletes often overlook this aspect, focusing on physical preparation alone, while beginners may struggle with guilt for resting instead of training. Reframing recovery as a vital part of growth, rather than a pause, can help women embrace it fully. Mental recovery reduces cortisol, improves focus, and ensures that when you return to training, you are not only physically stronger, but also mentally prepared. Long-term benefits of recovery. The benefits of prioritizing recovery extend far beyond reducing soreness. Over time, proper recovery prevents injuries, improves hormone health, and enhances overall longevity in fitness. Female athletes who take recovery seriously often have longer, more successful careers. Beginners who adopt recovery habits early are less likely to burn out or give up. Recovery also helps maintain a healthy metabolism and prevents the chronic fatigue that many women experience when balancing busy lives with fitness goals. It is not just about feeling better today, but about setting up the body for health and performance years into the future. Recovery is not optional, it is essential. Whether you are a female athlete pushing your limits or a beginner taking your first steps into fitness, these 6 recovery tips can transform your journey. Prioritize sleep, fuel your body with proper nutrition, hydrate deeply, embrace active recovery, listen to your body, and use supportive tools wisely. Add in the mental side of recovery, and you have a complete system for long-lasting progress. At the end of the day, workouts challenge your body, but recovery builds it. By respecting recovery as much as training, women can unlock their true potential, avoid setbacks, and enjoy a healthier, stronger life.